Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open your online account with DBS Digibank. All you need to do is just go and download this through any store that you have, and then go and open the application. So once you open the application, normally you should find yourself with this page. Of course, make sure to allow whatever you want or whatever they need. And as an example for me, I'm just going to do this. No need to do this. And notifications, of course, I would like them to send me notifications. Now, how to open our online account? I'll just go and start by clicking on sign up for Digibank. Here, of course, fill home and stuff. I'm just going to skip this. And here, if you need your Digibank access, that means you already have an account. You can just go and click on below. But if you are new to DBS/POSB, you can just go and click on that first option. So here, if you have any application code, make sure to go and enter it. If you don't, if it's your first time, just go and click on skip. So once you click on skip, as an example right here, you'll find let's make this pass. You can go and continue with the sync pass, which is Singaporean pass, or you can continue without a pass. As you can see with my info, we can verify your identity, retrieve and use practical security securely, and help you sign up much sooner. So if you have it, just go and click on continue with that. And then of course they'll take you to like connect into it. But if you don't have it, let me just go back as an example, click on done. You can go and click on continue without and click on sign up manually. It will be a little bit annoying because you'll have to enter everything automatically or manually. So I would prefer as an example to use the sync pass if I do have one. And you can even secure it or set up the sync pass very easily. You'll need of course your ID with you. So just go and download it and make sure, just go and set it up. So for me, I'm not going to fill up here my information, but for you, you'll have to go, and if you choose manually, if you choose with sync pass, you'll have to just fill up your informations right here. So keep filling up your information until you're done. And once you're done, the last thing, of course, you'll fill your ID numbers and stuff like that. So the last step will be the face/video verification. The app may ask you for selfie verification or a quick video call KYC. Just follow the prompts, look into the camera, blink, smile. Sometimes they'll tell you turn to left, turn to right, and etc. So once you're done, you'll be able to double check your information and agree to the terms and conditions and click on submit. In most cases, approval happens instantly, but sometimes it may take a few hours if they need to verify some documents. So once approved, you will get your account number and internet banking access immediately inside the application, and you will be able to log in using the new user ID and PIN that you set up. You can also set up a 6-digit like bank PIN and security questions. And now you'll be able to send money, receive money, check balance, and even invest all from your phone using the Digibank. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.